Hello student, today we are going to study about characteristics of sound. Two sound can be distinguished from one another by the following three characteristics. First is loudness. Second is pitch or shrillness. And third one is quality or timbre. Okay, the first of all we study about loudness. Loudness is the characteristics by virtue of which a loud sound can be distinguished from a faint one, both having the same pitch and quality. If two sound having the same pitch and same quality, then we can distinguish the two sound by the help of loudness. Is it clear? Loudness is the characteristic by which a loud sound can be distinguished from a faint one, both having the same pitch and quality. Okay, loudness of a sound depend upon the amplitude of the wave. This point is very important, that loudness of sound depends on the amplitude of the wave. Okay, now the next topic is factors affecting the loudness of sound. First factor is loudness is proportional to the square of amplitude. Loudness directly proportional to the square of amplitude. When the body vibrates with a greater amplitude, it sends forth a greater amount of energy, and hence the energy received by the eardrum is large, so the sound appears louder. Second point is, first point means the factor, first factor, and second factor, loudness vary inversely as the square of distance from the source. Means loudness inversely proportional to the square of distance between the two listener. Okay, third point, loudness depend upon the surface area of vibrating body. If the surface area is large, then the loudness of a body produced by the surface is very large. If the surface area is low, the loudness is low, because when the surface area is large, then the vibration of a body is large, and so that the energy produced by the vibration is very largely. Okay, now our next topic is pitch. Pitch or shrillness. Clear? pitch pitch is that characteristics of sound by which an acute or shrill note can be distinguished from a grave or flat note of the same loudness. Means pitch is the characteristics of sound by which we can distinguish the two sound having same loudness and same quality. Clear? Means pitch depend upon the frequency of the sound. Here pitch is that characteristics of the body by which we can determine two faint sound, means shrill sound having same loudness and same quality. Clear? Okay. Pitch depend upon its frequency. If two notes sounded on the same instrument with same amplitude will differ in pitch when their vibration are different frequency. Means directly proportional. Pitch is directly proportional to the frequency. If a body have a high frequency, then the shrillness of the body is high. If the body is low frequency, then the shrillness of the body is low. Clear? Okay. Our third topic is quality. Third topic is quality. Quality is the third characteristics of the sound which distinguish the two sound having same loudness and same pitch. Is it clear? If the two body have same loudness, same pitch, then how can we distinguish the two body sound of the two body? By the help of quality. And the quality depend upon the structure of the wave. There are various structure of the wave. Various structure of wave, and by this structure, this waveform is the parameter by which we can determine the or distinguish the two sound having the same loudness and same pitch. And this waveform and is known as quality. Okay. Now, quality of a musical sound depend upon the waveform. Loudness depend upon the amplitude, frequency, pitch depend upon frequency, and the quality depend upon the waveform. Okay. Our topic is completed. Okay, thank you.